Shareholders that were waiting for something to happen have been dealt a blow with a 27% share price drop in the last month. Well, you know what that means for me? That means this is when my eyes come onto a stock because it could be a buying opportunity. But it's not just me. It's hedge funds. It's big players. Hedge funds are weighing in on this penny stock. Several large investors have recently modified their holdings of COSM, including Jane Street Group LLC, bought a new stake in shares of Cosmos Health during the fourth quarter worth approximately $46,000. CIBC Asset Management Inc. acquired a new position in Cosmos Health in the first quarter valued at $50,000. Virtu also bought a new position in Cosmos Health during the first quarter worth of $34,000. State Street acquired a new stake worth $76,000. BlackRock increased their position by 9% in the second quarter, now holding 291,914 shares valued at $873,000. 4.26% of the stock is now owned by institutional investors. What institutional investors like to jump into penny stocks? Guys, it's time to put this one back on your radar. Cosmos Health, ticker symbol COSM, a diversified, vertically integrated global healthcare group engaged in innovative R&D, owner of proprietary pharmaceutical and nutraceutical brands, manufacturer and distributor of healthcare products, and an operator of a telehealth platform. With a brand new 12-month price target of $4 a share compared to the share price of 83 cents at the time of the publication by Taglich Brothers, Cosmos Health is sitting on a 426.52% potential gain from where it's trading at right now at 76 cents. Today we have a sponsored stock, so thank you Cosmos Holding for sponsoring today's video. As always, I don't take the stock unless I like what the company is doing and or the company is doing well. And how could you not like a company that is fighting against cancer? Now, yes, they just got a nice buy rating by Taglich Brothers, hopefully getting a higher earnings per share as well as a revenue increase moving forward. Cosmos Health is on the right path, and I want to point out one thing to you guys. Taking a look at their previous financials, I want to show you the June 2023 financials. You can see these terrible numbers of operating income and a net change in cash, 3,300% down and 2,000% down, and then you see their next quarter, they drastically decrease these numbers, right? Or increase these numbers, depending on the way you're looking at it. Operating income only down 776 and a net change in cash positive 151. When you take a look at the previous one, down 3,364 and down 2,088, gradually increasing these numbers, making them much better. You can see that their numbers are drastically increasing quarter over quarter, and this company has also dropped recently previous news. First of all, successfully completing the acquisition of CloudScreen, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence-powered drug repurposing platform entering the lucrative $25 billion global drug repurposing market. I know you guys hear AI and you're like, damn, I'm buying in, I'm closing out the video, but make sure to continue to finish the video because that is not all. They also successfully completed the acquisition of a portfolio of 10 generic drugs for $3.5 million, expecting to capture a substantial share of the vast $400 billion global generic drug market. Cosmos Health is reaching their hand in to several different sectors, and they are the right ones to pull some extra cash and make the company thrive. Now, if we take a look at the stock chart, we're trading at 76 cents. You can see we traded in this pattern and then broke below this channel, now finding a brand new low off of the bottom of this parallel descending support level. This could be the best spot to get in, or it could fall to a lower degree. Of course, make sure to do your own due diligence on any of these tickers, and nothing I say is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. But taking a look at it, taking a look at where institutions are buying, how much they are buying, shows me that Cosmos Health could be a strong play moving forward, especially if they continue to fix what needs to be fixed behind closed doors, as well as enter and innovate through different markets, through different sectors of their market. Not to mention, Cosmos Health was recently almost a $100 stock back in March of 2022. This thing, in my opinion, is just waiting to catch. This is the first time we are back talking about it, and I think the number one thing that I want to point out is the CEO doubling down, purchasing more shares. He is completely confident in the company and what they have going forward. They announced on February 16th that the CEO acquired a total of 60,000 shares of the company's common stock in the open market at an average price of 83 cents for a total consideration of $49,806, demonstrating his strong belief in the company and unwavering dedication to its continuous development. He previously also in December purchased an aggregate of up to 3 million in common shares of the company in the open market through December 31st, 2024. In accordance with applicable securities laws and other restrictions, the timing and total amount of the stock purchases will depend on market conditions, corporate and regulatory requirements, prevailing stock prices, and other considerations. Since he has invested more than $15 million in the company, including approximately $1 million in 2023. Not only did he purchase, but he may purchase up to another $3 million of common shares in the open market by the end of the year this year. The fact that he's starting his purchases at 83 cents shows that, hey, my company may just be bottoming out. But take this with what you will, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. In my opinion, when you see a CEO investing his own cash into the company, purchasing up shares just like we saw Ryan Cohen do if you've been keeping up with my channel, that shows strength, reliability, and confidence going forward. Overall, guys, let me know if you are putting this penny stock on your radar. Let me know if you are already in Cosmos Health, ticker symbol COSM. This is just the first update of this stock, and we are going to be updating it very soon in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Thank you, Cosmos Health, for sponsoring today's video. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.